Happy morning, children. It's 12th standard biology practical topic, that is dihybrid cross. Okay, you're going to discuss about the dihybrid cross. The topic would be analysis of seed sample to study Mendelian dihybrid ratio. So immediately you will write identification. The given sample is identified as, or the given photograph, because we are going to keep only this photograph. You will not be doing this experiment, whereas analyzing things and all. So you will be placed with the photograph of this picture, and on seeing this you will be identifying it. So first you will write the identification. The given picture or photograph is identified as Mendelian's dihybrid cross. Mendelian's dihybrid cross. Then you will write the aim to analyze seed sample of peas for Mendelian's dihybrid ratio of 9:3:3:1. Then you will go with the principle. In a dihybrid cross, the segregation of one gene pair is independent of the segregation of other pair. It means that when the factors gene for different character inherit from parents do not remain linked in the offspring, but their distribution in the gametes and in the progeny of subsequent generation is independent of each other. So you will write this entire principle. Then you will come straight away to the inference. The ratio of yellow round is to yellow wrinkled is to green round is to green wrinkled is approximately 9:3:3:1, which is exactly the same as obtained by Mendel for dihybrid ratio. This indicates that the contrasting gene for seed color and seed shape shows an independent assortment in the population of pea seed. So this is what you will be writing for the inference. So writing part, you will start with identification. Okay, before the aim you will have to do with the identification, then the aim, principle, no requirements, no procedures, no observation, but directly you will come to inference. So inference you will be writing. On the other side of your drawing part, you will draw this neatly. F1 generation, parent 1, parent 2, round yellow cotyledon, wrinkled green cotyledon. You are taking the gamete, capital R, capital R, capital Y, small r, small r, small r, small y. In crossing F1 generation, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y, all round yellow cotyledons. Then in F1 generation is selfed. Round yellow cotyledons is again crossed with round yellow cotyledons. The gametes are given and the gametes are separated as 4. Capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, small r, capital Y, small r, capital Y. So this is taken into both the columns horizontally and vertically, and crossing over is done. This we have already learned in the theory class, but again you can make note of it. And it is given by the symbol like this. Okay, this is going to be round yellow 2, round yellow 3, round yellow 4, round yellow 5, round yellow 6, round yellow 7, round yellow 8, and round yellow 9. So 9 ratio. The next one would be, what is the next thing? Yellow wrinkled yellow. Okay, you can calculate by seeing the characters over there, and you will get the ratio as 9:3:3:1. So this is what you will be writing in your observation record. Let me repeat again. You will start with identification, aim, principles, then the inference. On the other side, you will do the diagram neatly with the flowchart explanation. Hope you understood this. Complete it in your observation, children.